She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Today I'll show you how to make a wonderful jalapeno honey cornbread that is easy to make and you're sure to love. These are the ingredients I will be using today. Hopefully you guys are ready for this wonderful recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here is my take on a quick and easy jalapeno honey cornbread made from scratch, full of honey and jalapeno flavors throughout the cornbread. Went ahead and drizzled some extra honey on top because why not? It was nice and hot, delicious, ready to eat. Put some butter on top of there as well. The flavors throughout the cornbread were fantastic. I could definitely taste the honey and the jalapeno within every bite. Give this one a try, you guys. It certainly makes a great side dish or with soup, or just eat it by itself. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's flavorful recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know how's your favorite way to eat cornbread. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.